Hey guys, this week I have asked you to write or type, I guess, um, an opinion piece to answer the question, do you think recycling is important? So part of the lesson is to watch the YouTube videos I posted. There are 3 of them. And then after you watch those 3 videos, I need you to open up the Google Doc and type on there, or write if you guys are submitting it that way, your opinion about recycling. So I wanted to show you an opinion that I wrote about recycling, so that you would remember to include your opinion restated. So I'm going to read to you my opinion about recycling. And I want you to notice my first sentence states my opinion. In my opinion, recycling is very important. So you are going to state your opinion, whether you think it's important or not important, however you feel about it, because this is your opinion and your opinion is not wrong. Next, I want you to notice my first reason to begin, and I want you to see that I included to begin. So you know I'm getting ready to tell you my first reason. So my first transition word is to begin. To begin, when we recycle, we are keeping items out of landfills. I think this is important because land should be used for growing food and for animal habitats. We are animals who also need those habitats. Another reason, oops, I forgot my comma. Another reason, so that would be my next transition word. So you know I'm getting ready to tell you my second reason. Another reason I think it is important is to keep plastic out of the ocean. So that sounded a little funny to me, so I'm going to reread that. Another reason I think it is important is to keep plastic out of the oceans. All right, a little kind of a weird sentence. I think I might have to go back and edit that. And then my last transition word is finally. So now you know I'm getting ready to tell you my third and last reason I think this is important. Finally, if we recycle, we don't have to use up so many natural resources like trees. Now, I've given you 3 reasons. I've stated my opinion. I am not finished yet. Boys and girls, do not forget that you need to restate your opinion after you've told me your reasons. Can you see I'm having fun with all of Ella's markers? In conclusion, so I'm wrapping it up, guys. In conclusion, comma, I think recycling is something we all should do to be responsible inhabitants of Earth. So if you need a vocabulary word, here you go, inhabitants. So I have stated my opinion. I've given you 3 reasons with transition words. And then I have restated my opinion. And I have capitals and periods. And I'm expecting to see some amazing opinion writing from you this week about recycling. After you watch those videos, if you have any questions, make sure to send me a dojo, and I can't wait to read what you have to say about this. Thanks, guys.